here, my sexy vlog. So today I got a letter from Apple. It's pretty sick. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. Okay. Hold on a second. Okay, it says, "Dear Dylan, thanks so much for sending us your letter. We always enjoy hearing from one of our friends. Because we get so many letters from so many people, we're unable to carefully consider to take action on everyone. We hope that you will keep thinking creatively and keep dreaming of new ideas. Thank you for supporting Apple products. Very truly yours, Heather Muse." Signature, Apple, May 16th. Or, not May 16th, August. Or, June. Pretty sick, right? I love it. God dang it, my hair. God! Whatever. Just gonna keep it like that. So I thought it was pretty cool. I got a letter from Apple. I mean, it's pretty awesome, right, Mom?
That's awesome, buddy. That's awesome. I'm proud of you.
Thanks. So we're going to get my brother now from, where is it? New Smithville, at a gas station. He lives with his dad, and we gotta do this long drive. No, it's not that long. Well, we gotta do a drive to get him, and I got him a pocket knife, so hopefully he doesn't, like, knock on wood, hurt himself with it. I'm gonna show him how to use it correctly and everything. So, yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. I don't know, there's really not much to talk about, guys, so I guess I'll see you later on YouTube. Bye-bye!